Okay, I'm here with my Army buddy, who
Air Force.
Air Force buddy. That's right, comms in the Air Force, and she had the Deuk laser disc repair procedure done at L45 on the left side about 3 months ago, and we did an interview right after surgery. And at that time, her back pain was gone, and her left leg pain was gone. And now she's here 3 months after her surgery for a checkup. And we were just chatting a little bit, talking about what she did when she was in the Air Force and some of the things she had to do. But why don't you tell us how you're doing from the standpoint of your back and your left leg?
I have a little numbness every now and then. I still have a little numbness in my left foot, but nothing compared to what it was. And it's getting better every day. That's all every day I wake up and it seems like a little bit better. No more ankle burning. Every now and then I'll get a burn if I do something, but it'll go away as fast as it came, and I'm getting better.
Good.
Still skeptical, but
any back pain?
No, only if I do anything, but it's not pain, it's just ache.
That's the muscles,
muscle
because
aches.
you're still building your muscles back
So
up.
as far as the pain from the sciatic, every now and then, like I was pulling with the dog the other day, and in one day it was gone with heat.
Okay.
You know?
So, but you had that pain before surgery. You had that pain constantly, right?
Constantly, I would actually limp because I couldn't walk. I had what they call drop foot.
Mm-hmm. And how's the drop foot?
I think it's okay.
It's gotten back to normal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I stand straighter. My friends say I look better. I stand taller. I walk better.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
There it is, right there. That smile says it all.
11 years of my life is back.
Yeah.
I'll never get that back, but going forward, I'll be good.
So the
Thank you
sharp
very
back pain you had before surgery gone, the drop foot gone, still a little bit of numbness, but that takes 6 months to a year to go away,
Yeah.
and then the pain down the leg is gone as well, right?
Yeah, and I'm going to try to get as many people in here as I can. I know a lot of people.
Well, thank you, and go enjoy your life and do the stuff that you enjoy doing.
I will. See you in a month.
Good
I
to see
think
you.
I see you in a month.